Let's make a ceviche.
One, cure the fish. Place diced fish in a glass or ceramic bowl. Pour lime juice over the fish until fully submerged. Sprinkle generously with salt. Cover it with a plastic wrap. Refrigerate for 3 to 4 hours or until the fish turns opaque and firm. 2. Marinate the vegetables. Combine onions, tomatoes, bell peppers, and cilantro. Add juice from remaining limes and a pinch of salt. Let's sit for 30 to 60 minutes to soften. 3. Combine and season. Gently combine all the ingredients. Drain most of the lime juice from the fish. Reserve a little for adjusting acidity later. Drizzle with oil and season with salt to taste. Serving suggestions. Pair with crispy patacones, plantain chips, toasted corn or avocado slices. Key tips. Use sushi-grade fish for safety and optimal texture. For less acidity, skip the reserved lime juice when mixing. Let the ceviche rest 10 minutes before serving for flavors to meld. Enjoy your vibrant, citrus-kissed ceviche.